Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Dexter's Pros, and today I'm going to install this SSD Samsung Evo 750 250GB hard drive on my computer. And this is Lenovo Y50. This is a laptop, and this has a SATA 6 Gbps speed of connecting wires, SATA cables. So you have to buy the SSD as per your laptop requires or your desktop requires, that is it is ID or SATA, but you have to determine first, then you have to buy the things. And if you have not seen the unboxing of this Samsung Evo, you can check it out in my link in the description. And to open this up, you have to turn the laptop around. Now you can see here there are screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 and 13. There are 13 screws all around, so we'll take out the screw apparatus one by one. Keep the screws in a good place so that they're not lost anywhere. Since this is a very costly laptop, I have to do this very carefully. I don't want to break it apart anyway. And it's the first time I'm opening my laptop, so I opened other laptops but not mine. So I have to do it. These screws are a little bent in the upward direction. It's a little different than other laptops, and the screws are very little and tiny. In HP laptops I've seen the screws are very big, but in this laptop it is not the case. So don't forget to take out any of the screws. If you take out all the screws, recheck again if there is any problem. You have to take out all the screws. Don't leave any of the screws in place. And after this video, I will show you how I am using my internal hard disk laptop externally. So don't forget to check out that video, as after upgrading to an SSD, my hard drive will be unused if I don't use it any other way. I'm going to see. Now after the laptop is opened, you can see there's a net. You can clean it if you want. Right now it is a good time to clean the laptop if you want to. So what we are getting is, we have to get the hard drive of the laptop, and the hard drive is present here. This is the hard disk of the laptop, Western Digital hard disk. So let's open it. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws, so let's unscrew them. Please keep in mind that the screws that we are unscrewing, we have to screw with them again, so don't forget any of the screws. And please remember that don't forget to unscrew anything, else you will break the thing up. So for any laptop you are using, you should be remembered this position. The internals of the laptops are very much clean and clear. It has a memory stick of 8GB and a blank space for 1 extra. So this laptop has capability of accepting up to 32GB of memory, so it only has 8GB right now. I can upgrade it to another 8GB, or I can upgrade both to 16GB and 16GB so that I can get a 2GB card. As you can see here, the fans are a little dirt. So if you want, you can clean them right now. There's no problem. So you should keep all the screws differently, as these screws are a little different from the screws that I have opened right now. So after that, what I have to do, I have to take that hard disk out of this and unplug it from the main SATA board. Now my hard disk is out of the case. Now what I have to do is I have to take out this outer casing and I have to place this SSD over here. So let's try to do this. But there are also 4 screws, 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Let's open them. The best way to open this is first one, then the third one, then fourth one, then second one. So my hard drive is out of its case. I will use this hard drive on another laptop as external drive, and how I will use it you have to see on another video, so don't forget to watch that video. So I keep it aside and I'm taking out my solid state drive. It's a brand new, and I will not copy the previous drives. I will so at first check that this position must be fixed with this so that it doesn't have any problems. Now the same thing, we have to keep the fixed at like this, and we have to screw them like we have did 4 3 1 2, or anything combinations but different. Remember that don't make them so tight that the patch cancels out. So what you have to do is now connect this SATA drive to the SATA port of the device like this, just clicks, and then what you have to do is just place it in place and screw them again like you did before. It's just the opposite process of unscrewing the device. Don't screw them too tight, or else there will be problem. Now since we have installed a hard drive into the computer, I will show you what is the speed difference between the Western Digital Slim hard disk. It has also 8GB of cache memory, so that it is faster than the normal hard drives that are present in recent days. And this is an SSD provided by Samsung, which is Samsung 750 EVO SSD 250GB. So let's check out the differences between an SSD and hard drives. It will be on another video, so keep watching. And if you want to buy an SSD and upgrade your computer or laptop or anything you want, then please check out your specifications, what is required for you, what is the size you require, as per GB cost of an SSD is very much higher with the hard drives. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.